What's up guys, I'm Maddie, the hippie hacker, and today I am back with a new video on Webex's new 4K desk camera. Today I will be unboxing and testing out all the new great features it has to offer. Okay, getting this out of the box, I can just feel that it's made to last. It's easy to tell the difference between something that was made to last a decade versus something that was made to last a day. And Webex seems to have put together a really sturdy product. Now, why do I think it's important to have a top-notch webcam? Well, as we're seeing from the recent health crisis and the Great Resignation, we need to both work and interact from a distance. Being able to clearly connect from the comfort of your own home is a must, and it's something that we do from multiple devices every single day. And Webex's desk camera fills the role of making quality, professional connections. Using this in a business setting is going to absolutely turn some heads with how great the 4K quality actually is. As 4K is now becoming the new standard for our TVs, monitors, and smartphones, it only makes sense that we use it to enhance our streaming and also bougie up our conference calls. Think of this camera as a way of making the right impression on every call. You get ready for work, fire up your computer, and let this camera do the rest. Say goodbye to blurry, low-res images. You no longer have to worry about checking your reflection on the monitor to see if your posture is correct or if the camera is staring up at your chin. This camera has an 80-degree field of vision and is 4K ultra high def capable. Also, don't worry about lugging around some clunky webcam or using the one that came built into your laptop. Webex has designed this camera with portability in mind. It is small and robust, meaning it can go wherever you go. Not only does this camera look and handle well, but it also has its smarts. With built-in infrared sensors, it easily helps you log into Windows Hello with just a glance through facial recognition. And when you're off of your meeting and working away, it implements a privacy shutter, secure boot, and image authentication to make sure hackers can't get into your private information or peek in on you while you're working. I feel that Webex has designed this camera with the present workforce in mind. It auto-updates to keep up with the latest software, has amazing resolution, and is built to be at home or on the go. This webcam is perfect for the work-life balance warrior or the office professional, and you just really can't go wrong with this new Webex camera. As always, I'm the hippie hacker, your friend in tech, and I will see you in my next review.